This morning, security is ramping up in downtown Miami ahead of former President Donald Trump's arraignment. He is facing 37 federal charges regarding confidential documents that he allegedly took from the White House and stored in several places. WPTV's Victor Jorges joins us live from downtown Miami. Victor, set the scene for us. Tell us what you are seeing.
Hey, Holly, right now we are in the heart of downtown Miami, surrounding this federal building that I'll show you in just a second. We've seen Homeland Security cars. There's also barricades and a lot of police. Now take a look here. This is the building that I'm talking about. This is the federal courthouse here in Miami. This will be the stage where President Donald Trump will be here tomorrow at around 3 p.m. And this is already a busy area of South Florida. And with Donald Trump coming down tomorrow for his arraignment, it can be hectic. Trump, though, still saying
the baseless indictment of me by the Biden administration's weaponized Department of Injustice will go down as among the most horrific abuses of power in the history of our country.
Yeah, we're just a bit over 24 hours away from what could be a year-long process leading to the most closely watched criminal trial in American history. Right now, law enforcement officials say they are concerned that Trump's rhetoric could increase the risk of his supporters interfering with this process. Trump campaign officials say he will fly into Miami today, then he'll stay overnight at his club in Doral, which is about a 20-minute drive to downtown Miami. Now, the Miami Federal Courthouse is expected to be heavily protected starting right now. Trump is expected to enter the court complex via an underground tunnel processed by both the federal marshals and the FBI. Those marshals expected to take his fingerprint and mugshot. It's unclear right now whether his passports will be confiscated, and once in the courtroom, he'll be asked to enter a plea. Right now, it's all hands on deck for security.
They're going to be monitoring online. We're going to be passing intel, so the FBI, Miami Police, U.S. Marshals, everyone's monitoring.
Yeah, so here's a live look at the situation here in downtown Miami. What you're looking at right now is what appears to be two people here in support of former President Donald Trump. In that area where they are right now, all those tents that you see, those are actually all news channels, both local and national outlets here. Now, another thing to keep in mind here, at 2 p.m., the City of Miami Police Department, as well as City Mayor Francis Suarez, they'll be holding a press conference to talk about safety issues here, as well as traffic, and of course, everything they're doing logistics-wise to prepare for the arrival of former President Donald Trump. We're live in downtown Miami. Victor Jorges, back to you.